Alright people, today we're going to have a video on how to put a suppressor on a AR1 style assault rifle, and here it is right here. It's my nephew with a nice piece of machinery there, and let me show you how it's done. He's going to take it apart so we can here's the suppressor right there, which we'll put on that, take off the nozzle off of that and put this on there. Here we go. First take it apart here. Make sure you don't have any bullets in there. What's that?
This is for the folding stock. This is part of the folding stock. You have to put it in there.
What does that do?
So it's like an extra piece of buffer extension.
Okay. Is that like the?
Because some of these don't have that. Some of them are just stay like that. But this one you can fold.
What's that? That hits the pin or what?
Yeah. This is whenever this the bolt carrier group comes back, it hits this buffer spring so it can launch back in.
Oh, okay, there you go. It's a spring.
Tube and a spring in there.
And the spring's in there, yeah.
Yeah. Just the lower upper.
We don't have the best facilities here, but we're gonna make do. He made a little gadget here, so you're gonna run that barrel down there so he can secure it and take it apart, I'm pretty sure. We'll be working with these later. This is simulating out there in the field, so you don't know what could happen out here.
Come across a random workbench.
There you go.
Gotta get right to it.
Be able to do it. Make sure you don't lose your screws.
This is a St. Victor.
Okay.
Springfield Armory, 16-inch. All you got to do to we're taking off the rail cover right now.
There you go. That's 4 hex. What are those?
Yeah. No, the star bit. Are these not the star? No, these are the hex.
Yeah.
And then
2 on each side.
And then that's literally it.
That's it. That'll loosen it up, and here it comes. Let's see. Comes off. That's the
So this is the barrel.
shield, so it won't get hot in your hands. And there's the barrel right there.
Then the plan is to put it like that. I may have to make a bigger hole, but I'm hoping.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Check it out. Check one. See if one fits it.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
Go back a little bit. Does it go? Go pull it back a little bit. I think it'll press it in there.
Press it in there, right?
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to do.
Yeah,
small
because
hole.
you don't want it the
loose.
same.
Yeah, it's just gonna spin. All right, bet. So we used an 11/16 for a 5.56 barrel. Put that in there. Put that right there.
There you go.
Got it.
Got
Careful.
it. Tilt it up from the front. There you go. This is total tree shade gunsmithing around here. Not gunsmithing, but gun rigging. There we go.
Alright.
That should put some
I wanna
pressure
say
on
that,
it.
yeah, that should.
Yeah,
That don't
that
hold
should
it.
do it. There we go. You see that?
And then I ain't even gonna play. Going straight to the breaker bar. Oh, I should have been letting it sit in WD.
Oh yeah.
I let
Put a
it-
little
yeah.
W. I always recommend it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll know. We have Chester always looking around, making sure he supervises. Here we go.
Gosh. He's like, yeah, it's their first time.
he's a veteran.
The one that got on there last night.
Yes. It's a little small.
Yeah, it is a little small. This is the one I had on there.
May have some more tools.
Do you have another one? It's a
Yeah,
3/4,
here
I'm pretty
Here
sure.
we go. All right.
I'm gonna tighten it a little bit
I'm gonna
more.
hold it. There you go. go.
Oh
No.
no, just
It's twisted.
yeah, it's just stripping it.
Okay, hold on. Let me go see if I can find another one.
It's just gonna strip it. So what size is this?
I don't know, but I'm gonna get to we moved on to crescent wrench here.
Alright.
3 against that. I don't want to break anything here.
Just cover it.
Here we go. Alright.
Ready?
Go.
Oh, it's cracking.
See? That's what you I think this one will work. Yeah, see this has got a that one doesn't. Oh, it does have it. Oh, that one doesn't. Just a little one. Hold it there. Hold that over there. Oh, wait. Okay.
Go
Is
again.
there something else to hook it up over here with?
Nah, it's just that's the only thing attached to it. Oh, like is there another thing to?
Yeah, see, like the other one over there. Where's the other one?
The other way.
The crescent wrench.
Oh, put it inside of it.
Right here. Well, no, it doesn't fit in there.
Mm-hmm.
No, all like this right here.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. It's not a bad idea.
If not, we can put a still some pipe wrench on it and put some cloth on it.
And then just
Tighten
hold it. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Not there, over here. Look.
Oh, on this flat part.
Maybe. If not, I'll go get the. No, it's not enough. It's not enough.
Yeah, it's not coming. Here, try it. Wait, 1, 2, 3, go.
No, I did it.
Woo! There you go. That's it. That was a. There you go. That's a smart idea right there.
You should have put some cardboard on it, but that's all right. This goes right on it.
They go.
You don't have a wrench?
You don't need nothing.
Are you sure?
Direct thread.
Are you sure?
Direct thread.
Bring it over here. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do it.
No, you do it. You do
No,
it.
you do it. You got it. All right, baby. We got it off.
There it goes.
And here we go. This is the way it's done right there.
Wait. Let's we
Put a little lubricant on there.
We gotta put the we gotta put it back together first, or else the rail won't go over.
Oh, I got you. All right. Well, yeah, we got our house. Just pull it out.
Well, that works.
Well, what worked? Yeah, just to stabilize it.
Yeah, on the other end
Yeah.
too.
Stabilize it, and then the other thing.
We need 2 braces. 2 bracing points.
Putting
And
it back
this
together.
just goes right back on.
I know there's gonna be some people with guns and stuff saying a couple of buffoons do.
These guys have no idea.
This is guerrilla style. This is guerrilla style. Here out there in the jungles, anywhere you can put it together.
We got it done though.
Just get it done.
Those crescent wrenches came in clutch. And that just goes right back on there. Putting the rail cover back on. That actually was pretty easy once you do it right.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now I'm gonna lock it in. go. And then so then you just put your upper back together. And if you have a folding stock,
there you go. Then you put your little thing back in there. Adapter so it can go faster. Or that's just the way that one is.
that's just how it is. And then this is the adapter so it can go faster.
Oh, there you go.
And then
Now you're just gonna wind it up in there. Is there a number of shots before those things go out?
like overall
Yeah.
life expectancy, a few amount, but like a good amount. You could shoot these for sure.
Okay.
I would say like before they get hot, like 40 shots, but then obviously they says you can do like 300 shots rapid fire, and then
Yeah.
like not obviously, and then let it cool down
And
a little
then-
bit.
Okay.
Life expectancy, I'd probably say for at least 20,000, 50,000
Okay,
rounds.
alright.
You would hope, but solid. You know
Those,
what I mean?
and those are just guesstimation, people.
Yeah, yeah, guesstimations.
And there it
That's
is.
it.
That's it. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. You see that? That's what makes America great, right here. And that's it, huh?
Yeah, that's it. That's literally it.
All right, people, give me a thumbs up on that one. It's been a while since I put one on there. Y'all take it easy.